After 11 years, in 2023, Băneasa Airport reopened for commercial flights. It also went through an extensive modernization process during the period when it operated at reduced capacity. Every architectural element of the terminal built in 1952 was preserved and was completed with state-of-the-art technology. In total, the works cost 66 million Romanian lei. Băneasa Airport returns to the time of 2012 and becomes the solution to free up some of the traffic from Otopeni. Băneasa is currently operated by 3 companies: Wizz Air Malta and Ryanair. Direct flights, non-stop, can be made from Băneasa to 19 international destinations, December 2025. In the fall of 2025, traffic and route network from Băneasa increased significantly, after Wizz Air relocated several routes to this airport. Among the cities and airports served by flights departing from Băneasa are Milan, Bergamo, Basel/Mulhouse, Memmingen, Krakow, Naples, Barcelona, Brussels-Charleroi, Turin. Unlike Otopeni Airport, where passengers must arrive at least 2 hours before boarding, at Băneasa the time will be just under an hour. Bucharest Băneasa, Aurel Vlaicu International Airport, BBU, has a runway 3, 200 meters long and 60 meters wide. It supports aircraft up to the size of a Boeing 737/Airbus A320. Full lighting, PAPI, ALS, edge lights. Capacity, 600, 000, 700, 000 passengers/year. Băneasa is a well-equipped technical airport, with a long runway, capable of medium-sized aircraft, used intensively for low-cost and private aviation. From here you can easily reach the Băneasa shopping mall or the nearby IKEA store. Bucharest is a vibrant city that combines historical architecture with modern buildings, large parks and an active cultural life. Once nicknamed Little Paris, the city impresses with places such as the Palace of the Parliament, the Romanian Athenaeum, the Old Town, Lipscani and important museums. How to get from Bucharest International Airport Băneasa, Aurel Vlaicu to Piața Romana. Bus 131. Exit the airport and walk a little to the right to reach the bus station. You can take bus 131 directly from the airport to Piața Romana. The average journey time between Băneasa and Piața Romana is around 24 to 28 minutes, in normal traffic conditions. The schedule is approximately 4:30 to 22:30, to Piața Romana, and 4:45 to 23:03, to Băneasa/airport. Uber or Bolt. Open the Uber or Bolt app after you arrive at the airport in Băneasa. Enter Piața Romana, Bucharest, as your final destination. The app will show you a pickup point, usually curbside or in the area indicated for ride-hailing. Confirm the order. The driver will pick you up and take you directly to Piața Romana, without any changes of transport. If it were a similar distance to that from Băneasa to Piața Romana, or slightly longer, the price may vary. It depends a lot on traffic, demand, time of day you order. By tram. Walk out of Băneasa Airport to the nearest tram stop. Take tram 5 or tram 1 direction, Bulevardul Barbu Vacarescu/Stefan cel Mare. Get off at Stefan cel Mare or a nearby stop. Switch to Metro Line M2, Blue. Enter Stefan cel Mare Metro Station. Direction, Bersini. Get off at Piața Romana Station. Total time, about 25 to 35 minutes. Bus 131. Get off, Aeroport Băneasa stop. As you exit the airport at arrival, turn right and walk 10 to 20 meters to the bus station. Get off, Piața Universitații stop. Duration, approximately 25 to 35 minutes, depending on traffic. Option 2, by tram. Walk 5 minutes to the Băneasa tram station, on the Bucharest-Ploiești highway. From there, take tram 5 or 36 to the center. Get off at the Stefan cel Mare stop and from there take bus 301/135/168 to the center and get off at Piața Universitații. You can pay with a contactless card directly on the bus/tram. Piața Universitații is a very lively area, with street artists, events, students and tourists. It is located a few minutes walk from the old center, Lipscani. University Square is one of the most important and visited places in Bucharest, ideal for walking, photography and urban exploration.